It's an honor and privilege to welcome you to my channel. We are in section Virtue, chapter 4, the assertion of the strength of virtue, couplet 39. Happiness by virtuous deeds results in bliss. Other deeds do not and will also not be praiseworthy. Thiruvalluvar declares that happiness resulting because of virtuous deeds are pleasant and blissfully long-lasting without any guilt or fear. These deeds would be praised, acknowledged, and are welcomed by the society. If the deed is not virtuous, one would not be at peace with oneself and the society. One also suffers and repents for long. The world is made with Maya. The whole world of multiplicity of things is made of different combinations of the 5 elements. Each thing realizes and enjoys existence with the help of the sense organs provided by Maya. Using the sense organs, one can feel pleasure or pain. For human beings, it is 5 different types of senses which can provide pain or pleasure. Eat, drink tasty food, see beautiful things, smell pleasant things, touch soft textures, and hear melodious sounds are simple examples of pleasures, and the opposite would result in pain. One should be clear that lack of pain is not pleasure, and lack of pleasure is not pain. The liberty of how the senses are used, virtuous or not, is granted to higher beings like humans. When one enjoys one or more of the senses in a way that is not virtuous, one would not be able to appreciate the pleasure as much as if it would have been enjoyed virtuously. If a thief steals something, he would be in constant fear of getting caught. An illegal affair will not last long and will not be approved by the society. If a deed is done not virtuously, it would drown the person in guilt in the long run and would precipitate to great pains and mental agony. Tirukkural is composed in a very methodical and a well thought out manner. Thiruvalluvar has placed every couplet, chapter, section in a very precise and proper manner to guide the human beings. Virtue helps in leading a peaceful domestic family life. A good domestic life will help to earn sufficient wealth. Sufficient wealth will help enjoy the pleasures of the world. In all the 3 sections, there is a thin but strong underlying line that runs constantly towards pushing the Atman to liberation. Tirukkural makes the point that one needs to undergo and experience first-hand all aspects of life to mature and to reach the Almighty.